Welcome back. Now news from sports. Alan Sequeira has continued his good form from last season as he began the new Supercross season with two back-to-back podium finishes. The defending champion from Naveli finished third in Bangalore and Coimbatore recently and is currently placed second on the circuit. He is looking forward to raising his performance in the course of the season. The next round of the MRF Supercross Championship is scheduled for September.
Last year's champion Alan began the 2011 season on his new Kawasaki bike presented to him by the Sports Authority of Goa for his consistently good performance at the national level for the last so many years. Although he did not have much time to master the handling of the new bike, Alan raced to third place finishes in the last two weekend races in Bangalore and Coimbatore to earn a lot of praise.
It was a great feeling after SAG had given me a bike, a brand new bike. And so the thing was that I didn't have a good time to practice and all, hardly 2 days with the bike. So although I managed to finish a podium at least in 2 rounds, I hope so in the next round in Chennai, third round, I'll finish in the silver or gold something.
You are happy with the bike that you've got, your performance you feel has changed after you got the new bike?
Yeah, it's very changed, like by the bike, the suspension, the power of the bike, because it's a 2011 model bike. It doesn't have the carburetor also, it's a fuel inject. So something different with the bike, the jumps, on the turns, something different because I was riding a 2005 model bike, 2001 bike. So this bike is something different.
And in terms of your performances, 2 bronze medals, you feel the gold medal, the gold number 1 podium spot is going to come in Chennai? Do you feel so?
Yeah, I hope so because I'll be getting around 3 months now because the next round is in September, first of it. So I'll be getting 3 months to practice and to do some good techniques and all. Because I'll be going for training with Santosh because he's also injured. So I'm trying to call them in Goa only. We wanted to have a word with SAG, where there's a ground for almost for 15 days. For good training, we'll get some good riders from all over India. Good and for youngsters of Goa only, so they can participate in Chennai for the recent event.
Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi from Panji.
Ivana Furtado has taken off big time in the field of chess. The 12-year-old chess prodigy has just returned with a stunning haul of medals from the Asian Youth Chess Championship from Philippines. With that, Ivana is now set to follow a grueling, no-holds-barred approach to realize her dream of becoming a grandmaster.
A press conference was held on Tuesday evening to announce the major plans for Ivana's growth.
Where there were a full number of 4 medals that she earned at the Asian Youth Chess Championship, which was held at Manila from the 15th till the 21st of May.
Formerly backed by the Dempo Group, Ivana will now be sponsored by Pearls Group.
It would comprise of coaching, it would comprise of participation at various tournaments. We have a big list lined up, and it consists of any particular assistance that is required to take her chess ahead.
We have taken the onus on ourselves, that's the Pearl Group, to see that Ivana meets her dreams. And whether it takes a year or 2 or whenever she decides to meet her goals, Pearls Group is going to be with her. We are here to stay.
When asked what led to the exit from Dempo Goodwill brand ambassadorship, Ellie disclosed that Ivana's requirements have grown enormously. It will now be a serious circuit she will be playing in to take her chess forward with the help of Pearls Group. One of the most taxing facets of globe-trotting sportspersons is the amount of travels. Ivana is taking this aspect in her stride.
How do you find the traveling part of your chess? You like to travel?
Yes.
Well, what we do is we try to catch sleep during the flights, especially when she has got to play another tournament after reaching another destination. We have very tricky schedules. Sometimes we were once in Iran. We came down to Bombay and we went down to Singapore. So we were from a minus time frame, and then we went into a plus.
Our sports editor Neeraj Prabhu with video journalist Sushant Pal from Panji.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Take care and keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.